Come on, Lambo! Woohoo! What will win in a drag race between a Lamborghini Huracan Performante with a 5.2 litre V10 and some big, heavy Chinese SUV with a 2 litre turbocharged petrol engine? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Car Wow. Here we go. It's close.
Pretty close, actually.
It's close, Bob. I've got a better launch. I've got him.
Well, even at higher speed, I'm already 180.
I've got him.
That's close.
He was a bit delayed on the line. I was lucky there. I was very lucky. I bet he can go quicker. Well, I had the perfect launch, but I think you might have been a bit delayed. Otherwise, it would have been a lot closer.
Yeah, actually, I think I can do better.
Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to do best 3 out of 5 anyway. But before we get into that, let's do another race first. I'm going to give you the stats on these cars really quick. So this is a 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V10. It's got 640 horsepower, 600 newton meters of torque, all-wheel drive, dual clutch auto, and it weighs about 1.5 tons. That Zeekr has a 2 litre turbocharged petrol engine which acts as a generator to provide electricity for the 3 electric motors, which combined have 1,400 horsepower and 1,400 newton meters of torque. It is heavy though. It weighs in at 2.8 tons. Still, it's cheap. It's about 50 grand in China. Anyway, let's do a rolling race. Comfort mode.
We've got to go in our comfiest, most relaxed mode.
So you go in comfort mode, I'm going in Strada.
Yeah, but this comfort mode reduces the power, Matt.
Well, that sounds like a you problem. Let's race. We're going to race over the half mile. Just get level with me. I'll get the speed up to 50. Cars are in automatic, and I'll go 3, 2, 1, and then say go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Lambo. Bye-bye. 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 Absolutely hammered him. That's slow. Europe for the win. Oh, Keenan, you got absolutely destroyed. Your big, heavy Chinese SUV is no match for this Italian lightweight.
Yeah, but I will do much faster with the Sport Plus.
Okay, right. Well, we'll see about that because we are going to do the same race again, but I'm going to be in manual mode and I'm going to be in Corsa.
You can be in Sport Plus, do whatever you need to do, my friend. I don't care.
We'll see how much faster it is in Sport Plus. Because don't forget, this car's now going to be quicker, and he's got no gears to change, so it just should be the same, right? Corsa, here we come. I'm going to go in second gear. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, this is so close.
Neck and neck, absolutely neck and neck acceleration.
No, he's coming past. He's coming past. Oh, what's happening now? It's neck and neck. I've fluffed a gear change. Wait a minute.
234, 236. Oh!
Oh, just got him on the line.
I hit a limiter.
I just got him on the line. I was so lucky. I fluffed a gear change and it was odd then. It's almost like he backed off. What happened? Oh, I think I know. Hey, Keenan, I don't suppose your car has a speed limiter, does it?
I'm not sure, but it says from the public information, it says it's limited to 230. I think I kind of hit some limiter at 237.
If you hadn't hit that limiter, you would have won because I fluffed a gear change. So that was a lucky victory for me. However, I'm not going to cock up next time. I'll meet you back on the start line. We'll see what's what. Right, Keenan, what we're going to do now is a rolling race from about 10 miles an hour, first gear, over the half mile. And I'm not going to mess up any gear changes, so get ready.
3, 2, 1.
I'm definitely faster in terms of power response.
He's ahead of me. Can I reel him back in? the pickup, I was too low down in the rev range.
The initial moment, the reaction from electric motor is really, really amazing.
He's going to hit his limiter in a minute, but he's too little too late. I'm gaining now.
Okay, I won. Woohoo!
I was just too far down in my rev range, then in first gear, and he's shut off. Doesn't have that problem. Instant torque from his 3 electric motors. Blimey, 1400 blooming Newton meters. Blimeyness. Now, if you want to compare these cars' stats, here's a table. Just pause the video. Next challenge. I bet you're pleased with that, aren't you?
Yeah, actually, from the response of this electric motor, it was really insane. I mean, instantaneous.
I know, but don't forget, we're going to go to the drag race in a second, and I've already won one. You better be prepared. Before that, though, there's another challenge which I think might go in my favour. It's a brake test from 100 miles an hour. You ready?
Let's try. Yeah, I think it's really difficult for me to, in a brake test, to outperform you. It's almost not possible. That's a supercar, man.
Well, we shall see. That's 100 miles an hour. Get level with me, mate. Now, if you'd rather watch the drag race, the Chinese cars, click on the pop-up banner or scan the QR code. Here comes the cones now. Mate, you must have broken early, for sure.
Yeah, I think slightly earlier.
Okay, I'll meet you back up there. Let's have another go. Let's do it fairly. Right, I hope that he did break too early, because if he wins again, that's going to be humiliating for me. Right, the cones are coming up now. Into it in 3, 2, 1.
This time is actually spot on.
Just closer. Let's do the drag race. This is what it's all about, everybody, the drag racing. Okay, let's do this race. Remember, 1-0 to me, best 3 out of 5.
3, 2, 1.
I'm ahead. Oh, yeah, I've got him. Yeah, I've got him.
I'm slightly slower.
Woohoo! Yeah, it totally dropped. He done. He diddly done. There's no way he's going to win the next race. No way, I hope.
So I think I'm slightly slower at the reaction. So you have to really go 3 to 1 with the 1 to press the acceleration pedal. Otherwise, it's slow for sure.
Yeah, that's right. So you need to be on it. I was on it, and that's why you got beat. But I'm not sure you'll win anyway. This just seems too fast.
Yeah, but obviously there is another button I haven't pushed. So that's called boost. So might be faster next time.
Boost button, eh? Well, he thinks it might be faster. We'll find out, won't we? Okay, Keenan. Well, you better hope that your boost button works this time, because I've got 2. I just need 1 more, and it's victory to the Lamborghini. And you can take that big heavy lump away from the drag strip. Come on, Lambo! Ah! No!
Okay.
No, 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 no!
Spot on acceleration.
I'm reading him in a bit, but I don't think I'm going to get him. Ah! That is my best launch yet. I was just a bit delayed. He went before me, but that time was like banging. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Boost worked there, Keenan. I think you went off a little bit earlier than me. I could have done better on my launch. The actual launch itself, the way it hooked and went up the runway was great, but my reaction was a bit delayed compared to you. This is going to be so close. 2-1 to me. Keenan, you still need to win this one to stay in the game. No pressure. No again. Just ahead of me on the launch.
Good launch.
I know if I get a better launch, I'll have him. I'm sure I'm getting him. I'm pulling him back in now. Ah! Man, it's my fault that there's a delay on this. You lift off the brake and there's a pause and then it goes. So trying to time it right is quite tricky. If I time it right though, I don't know which one's going to win. Right, good news for you, bad news for me. I was a bit behind on the launch. Means it's 2 to you, 2 to me. We're all square. Right, Kanan, this is it. Whichever car wins this race is the overall winner. If we can match the launches side by side, we'll genuinely see which is the quickest. Good luck. Closer. Come on. Oh, it's so close.
Nice start.
Oh!
Acceleration really neck and neck.
I'm just ahead. I'm just going to do it. Wow, that was so close. I think we launched it at the exact same time. It was amazing.
Yeah, I think last time I couldn't have done better.
Nor me. I think that's a fair result. These cars are so closely matched, but the Lamborghini just edged it out. Wow.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Lamborghini just about beat the Zeekr, but both cars completed the standing quarter mile in 10.6 seconds.
Listen, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. And if you want to suggest some other drag races for us to do, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.